2027 Ford F-200 Raptor. Just saying the name brings excitement to any truck enthusiast. Ford has once again pushed the limits of performance, design, and capability with this latest Raptor, and it's redefining what a high-performance pickup can be in 2027. The new F-200 Raptor comes packed with improvements across the board, combining raw power, advanced technology, and luxury-level interior comfort. Let's dive into all the details you need to know before considering this beast of a truck. Under the hood, the 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor offers a choice of two powerful engine options. The base model comes with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, which produces an impressive 510 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. For those who crave maximum performance, there's the top-tier 5.2-liter supercharged V8 variant, delivering a jaw-dropping 750 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. This engine setup allows the Raptor to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, which is incredible for a full-size off-road truck. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Ford's advanced four-wheel drive system, giving you confidence whether you're on the highway or tackling rugged off-road terrain. The exterior design of the 2027 F-200 Raptor is aggressive, bold, and unmistakable. Ford has retained the muscular stance the Raptor is known for, with flared wheel arches, a wide track, and an imposing grille with the signature RAPTOR lettering. LED headlights and tail lights are standard across all trims, giving it a modern, high-tech look, while the reinforced front bumper and skid plates ensure the Raptor is ready for serious off-road challenges. Available in multiple color options, including Velocity Blue, Shadow Black, and Stealth Gray, the Raptor is as stylish as it is capable. Inside, the Raptor combines functionality with luxury. The cabin features premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats with Raptor-specific stitching, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum trim accents. The infotainment system has been upgraded for 2027, featuring a 15.5-inch touchscreen with the latest Sync 5 interface, integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium B&O sound system. Multi-zone climate control ensures comfort for all passengers, while the available panoramic sunroof lets in plenty of natural light, making long trips even more enjoyable. Safety and driver assistance have also received significant upgrades in the 2027 Raptor. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Optional packages offer off-road specific features such as trail control, terrain management systems with multiple drive modes, and Fox Live valve shocks, which automatically adjust suspension settings for maximum comfort and performance on any terrain. When it comes to towing and payload, the 2027 F-200 Raptor is in a class of its own. The V6 model can tow up to 14,000 pounds and has a maximum payload of around 2,200 pounds, while the V8 variant pushes towing capacity closer to 15,000 pounds. This makes it not just a thrilling off-road performer but also a highly practical workhorse capable of handling trailers, boats, or heavy equipment with ease. Now, let's talk price. The 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor starts at approximately $87,000 for the base V6 model. Upgrading to the supercharged V8 and premium features can bring the price closer to $120,000, depending on the trim and optional packages you choose. While it's certainly an investment, you're paying for unmatched performance, cutting-edge technology, and a truck that can dominate both the city streets and the most challenging trails. In terms of competition, the F-200 Raptor continues to lead the high-performance truck segment, going head-to-head with other heavy-duty trucks, but it remains unique for its combination of luxury, technology, and extreme off-road capability. Ford has refined the suspension, reinforced the frame, and optimized aerodynamics, ensuring that the Raptor delivers a smooth, controlled ride even at high speeds or over rough terrain. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a truck enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates power, style, and innovation, the 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor is a truck that demands attention. It's bold, it's fast, it's capable, and it's packed with features that make every drive an experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't just any pickup, it's a statement of performance and engineering excellence. In conclusion, The 2027 Ford F-200 Raptor is the ultimate high-performance pickup for anyone who refuses to compromise. With incredible power options, advanced technology, luxurious interior features, and off-road capability that's hard to match, it's the truck that sets the standard for the next generation of performance pickups. Whether you're hauling, towing, exploring off the beaten path, or cruising around town, the Raptor delivers a driving experience that's exciting, reliable, and completely unforgettable.